How to register as a user on Jigzi. In order to set up a free or paid plan, you will need to register as a user. Here's how you do it. Start on the Jigzi homepage and click Sign Up. There are two options: Google or sign up with an email address. If you choose the Google option, follow the Google prompts and continue until you have registered on Jigzi. You will see your name on the top right corner, and you can start exploring Jigzi. If you choose to sign up with an email address, type in your email address and a password. You will get a response that you need to verify your email address. This verification needs to be done within an hour. Go and check your email. Open the email from Jigzi and simply click the button, Take me to Jigzi. This will take you straight into the steps to tell us about yourself. Fill in your details. For your address, simply start typing your city and choose the correct option. It will complete it with the correct country too. Step 3 asks you for your preferences. I would suggest that you leave this blank so that you can see all the Jigzi content. Click Submit and explore Jigzi as a registered user.